Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to change the color of a text box in Microsoft Word. To begin, you need a text box on your page. Go to the Insert tab at the top, click on Text Box, and choose Simple Text Box. Once the text box is inserted, click inside it. This action reveals a new tab at the top of your screen called Shape Format. Click on Shape Format to open the styling options. Locate the Shape Fill button. When you click it, a color palette will appear. Choose any color you prefer, and the background of your text box will update immediately. If you want to adjust the border as well, click on Shape Outline, which is right below Shape Fill. From here, you can select a different border color or choose no outline to remove the border completely. That is all it takes. Your text box is now customized to fit your document. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to ClearTask for more quick software tutorials.